What's up, beautiful people? It's Essie with Classy Curls and Coils. This video is a follow-up from my previous curly puff tutorial. This is my morning routine when I want to change up my style but I don't have a lot of time. This style is quick and easy and it keeps my dry, type 4 hair moisturized all day. Keep watching and remember to like and subscribe. Be blessed. I'm removing the scarf that I placed around my edges while I slept. I could have just refreshed this puff, but I chose to change up my style. Now I'm using my spray bottle with warm water, and I'm spraying my entire head to loosen my curls and to make my hair easier to manipulate. Next, I'm going to work in Pro-Line Comb Through Softener. This is just going to be the base before I layer the other products to make sure my hair remains soft and doesn't dry out. I'm working it in different sections of my hair. I'm also going to use Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie all over my hair for another layer of moisture. I'm working it in all over. I will then go in with my Eco Styler Argan oil to lay my hair down and secure my edges. I'm brushing my hair up and then I'll secure it with a hair clip. This reminds me of a banana clip. It holds my hair securely without making my top puff too small. I'm sectioning off the top portion of my hair that I want to place in the hair clip. Once I've secured the clip, I'm going to just fluff out that section of hair, but I'll come back later and define the curls a little bit further. Now I'm going to use a toothbrush and a little more Eco Gel to lay my edges before I tie them down to set them in place. This hair scarf was purchased at a beauty supply and it's great for styles like this. Now I'm going to section off my hair starting in the back to define the curls on my hair that I'm going to wear down. I'm saturating my hair with warm water and then I'm going to rake Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk throughout each section of my hair, followed by a little curl enhancing smoothie. I will repeat this process for each section of hair. I'm taking my time to really work the product into my hair. I'm going to resection my hair, and I'm going to repeat water, curl and style milk, and a little curl enhancing smoothie. I'm making sure that I've evenly distributed the products and I've detangled each section. I wanted a soft hold, so I just chose to use a cream today instead of using a gel. I'm just repeating the same steps that I did before and working the product throughout my hair. Now I'm going to further define the top portion of my hair. I'm finding any frizzy areas. I'm going to then spray it with water, detangle, and use a little Shea Moisture Smoothie. And then I'm going to do some small finger coils in that section. Since I'm working with the puff from the previous day, I don't have to do the entire section. I just find the areas that seem to have a little bit of frizz. Once I'm done defining the curls, I will remove my scarf and I'll just continue to fluff out my hair. I'm going throughout my hair and I'm finding small areas to do a few finger coils to further define the curls. I could use a blow dryer to dry my hair, but I usually like to let my hair air dry. The product that you see will soon absorb into my hair and I won't have any white residue remaining. This is the finished look. And with this method, I'll have moisturized curls all day. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be blessed.